Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to another Plan With Me video. This week I'm using some kit leftovers from the February GP Studio Mystery Kit. Now I used the stickers that are all missing in a previous Plan With Me not too long ago. I think it might have been last month, and as you can see there are so many left over, especially the double box scene, which is what made me kind of want to use this because I want to see if I can, I don't know, mix things up a little bit. It's like the smallest change to my planning style. I've also got this gold washi tape in all three sizes from Simply Gilded that I thought would match really nicely. When I used this kit previously, I used holo foil, so I thought I would try the gold this time. Now once I get these date covers down, I'm going to put some of the thicker gold bow washi at the bottom, but I'm not going to use like any more than that. So usually I would fill up this whole bottom space with like the washi stickers from the kit and things like that, but I'm just going to use this one strip and then kind of extend each day down a little bit, because this double box scene, you'll see it in a second that I'm going to use, they're really tall boxes, so I didn't want it to take up like the entire day just with a decorative box. And with the way the clip art was, I don't think it would have looked as good if I trimmed it down. I'm really happy with how this worked, and I think in future if I don't get the washi sheet with a kit, I'll probably plan this way as well, because it just gave me a bit more room if I wanted to include any of the full box checklists and things like that as well. So you can see on the lines on my printable, these ones are from Jessenia Printables. I'm just using that like bottom line above the washi just as a kind of point of reference for where the full boxes are going to sit. I was so scared to put these down, but it actually came together quite easily. And then on Monday, I'm just using one of the regular sized full boxes at the top of the day. And once I get that down, I'm going to head back to the bottom of the page. So obviously I've still got those black lines there that I want to cover up. So I'm leaving the very bottom one just as like a point, like I sort of said before, a point of reference for where the stickers will go. But I wanted to mark in my uni class. So I have this quarter box and then these super cute blush Budgie character stickers, but you can see the character sticker is a bit bigger than the box and there's going to be a bit of overhang. So I just used one of the patterned washi strips from the kit at the very bottom and then put that whole little label over the top so that you didn't see too much whiteout or any of the lines, and I really like how that came together. Then I'm just layering a little coffee script and icon over this gold washi just to bring in some more foil. All the foil this week just comes from the washi tape. I feel like it would have, I don't know, I'm more of a silver foil person. I think it would have looked really nice with silver, but I don't have all three sizes in the like bow washi. I'm still on the hunt for the silver with white bows in the 10mm, like the middle size. But I don't know, I still think it looks really nice, and the GP Studio kit's always really chic as well. Now that work script, that's also from the GP Sticker Studio. This is their older kind of script. I don't think they have this one anymore. It's recently been updated, but I just wanted to finish off this sheet. So I'm just putting the sticker off to the side and using one of the little like decorative floral stickers there as well. And then in that gap, I'm just marking off a few things I need to do today. So using this flag sticker and layering over the little washing machine icon for laundry, things like that. Now on Tuesdays I have placement, so I'm using a half box at the top there because I have pretty limited space, so instead of using multiple boxes I'm just going to write a few things in there, so just my placement time and a few things I have to do, and then I have an appointment afterwards. I can't remember if I do this straight away, but it is the new releases for Jessica Cate planning, so oh no, there it is. I just put this flag, almost like a flag box, and these Jessica Cate planning little icons that she gave me just to mark in her new releases, and I laid it over the full box, which I tend to do that with things that pop out throughout the week, but I think given that it is so big, I don't think it looks funny or anything like that. Now on Wednesday I just had work and I just used these little flags. I liked layering the really tiny icons over the flag stickers, so I'm just doing that again to mark that I have to post something on Wednesday. And then I think I put in a little bit of extra thin washi tape there as well. Now on Thursday, I'm starting at the very top with another quarter box. So this is just to mark an appointment that I have in the morning, and then I'm going to use the full box with the shoes underneath. Now I am sorry I did lose a little bit of footage, but on the rest of Thursday I used one of the full box checklists that I find I never use. I just used that at the bottom to cover up the whiteout, and I think it worked really well. It's kind of, yeah, as I said, it's making me want to use these a bit more often. Then I have one of my like film plan with me flat lays that I just put at the very bottom, and at the top of that sticker I just layered it over another decorative washi strip just to extend it up a little bit. They're not quite the width of the boxes, which is a bit annoying, but I think when you layer it over the top of something else, it makes a difference. Then you can see I've got the Budgie script, and then I'm going to put in my last full box of the girl with a glass of wine. I'm not planning on drinking a glass of wine, but I just thought it was very Friday appropriate, that full box. And then in that gap at the top, I've got a few things I want to mark in for placement. I end up putting 3 different like labels here. I do move them around just so, I don't know, that all the decorative elements of them, I guess, aren't on the one side. I like it when things alternate, so I end up moving that gold box with the exclamation point to the middle, and then having the 2 pink ones on either side, just to balance out the colors and everything a bit more as well. One of these boxes will definitely be used to mark that it is school holidays. I usually am at a school on Fridays as a part of my placement, so I'll be enjoying another Friday. Not a full day off, but I don't know, as good as I can get without it being a public holiday like it has been this week here in Melbourne. So on Saturday you can see I started off with another little icon layered over a flag. That's just to mark in some tidying up I want to do. I think I mentioned last week I wanted to clean out my wardrobe and my clothes and everything like that. I think I'm in a lot better place with that than I was. I don't think the job is fully done. I still need to do like a charity bin run and drop off all of the clothes that I don't want to have anymore, that are still perfectly good to donate to someone else. And then I think next I'm going to move on to doing the same thing in our lounge room living area. I think I'm going to go through everything there as well. So I guess telling you guys keeps me pretty accountable with my cleaning, so I think I might do that for like each, I don't know if it's like zone cleaning, but each kind of area that I aim to go through every week and like tidy up and clear out and everything. Anyway, back to Sunday, back to work, so I'm marking that in the same I have been all week, and just putting a half box at the bottom. That's just to mark in that I want to plan in my little Fibonacci diary planner, whatever you want to call it. And then in the middle there, I just fill that gap with another label and then some more washi tape as well. But once I get that down, that's it. That's the spread, and I really like how this turned out. I was a little bit nervous using leftovers, but I think it's made me just want to order more of these mystery kits, knowing that they do come with that bigger double box that you can definitely get 2 weeks out of a spread. It's a bit of a selling point for me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!